So yes, this is a warning to every spear fisherman. Yeah man, we I go out there, especially man them we are go out there them massive and clear, you know. Yeah man, we want to know do me people divers, we want to stick together and protect each others. Yeah man, cause have some divers out there, you know. We are go out there, you know. A friend them go out there and then see them friend shot a fish or a one barra, whichever kind of fish, them turn idiot. Them no remember, you know, them no remember the routine, you know, them turn idiot. Them now remember say you have a dangerous killer shark out there on the run. Them remember nothing about that, you know. So hear me people. Yes, divers want to stick together as one and protect each others. Yeah man. What's up my people, good morning, welcome back to another adventure guys. Yeah man, we out this morning my people, want to go on some fish as I see there right this morning guys. Water looking dead this morning. Yeah man, twinny out there so. Yeah man, I explain what I go on out in the water from a day to day basic. Yeah man, I'm out there so with that one water. So yes guys, we're there. Me and Twinny come man there same way. Yeah man, so we want to go on some fish this morning, people. Yeah man, hope we can have an epic catch this morning guys. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel my people. That's the only way you will go get notified when we upload every video my people. So subscribe, share with a friend, and please guys, watch the ads. Yeah man. So yeah man my people, that's a journey along with us this morning on this epic adventure guys. Yeah man, so we are going down. We are still half down that point. Yeah man, and we are going to go all the way to that point. I don't know if you can see the building out in the water. Yeah man, to that point. That is like 5 miles. Yeah man, over 5 miles worth of swimming guys. So I get gears up now guys and head off out my water. That is it. If it's not right. Oh God, Philip! Oi! Oi, asun si makai marasa! Oi, asun si makai zo! Oh, Lordy. Oh. Oh God.
All this look good.
Yeah, say it's English family that teacher
Yeah,
to
man.
the world.
Outside.
There.
Yeah, man. English
Family.
subscriber checking in.
Yeah. Brixton we come from, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
We out at
Southwest
Brixton.
All
That
one
is
massive, coxy, Senance Beer.
outside.
Yeah, man.
Yes, my people. Checking in. Subscriber. We out at England, you know? Brixton. Outside. Yeah, man. So they are checking in for the fish. There was a thing. Out in with 2 lionfish, 2 jackal and sea cat so far. borrow them now and Conkman kayak. Conkman out now forward. So I'm there wait. In the meantime, I just have to clean up the fish them and thing before them dry up, you know. Yes, this is a warning to every spear fisherman. Yeah man, we I go out there, especially man them we are go out there, them massive and clean, you know. Have some divers out there, you know. We are go out there, you know. And from them go out there and then see them friend shot a fish or a one barra, whichever kind of fish, them turn idiot. Them no remember, you know, them no remember the routine, you know. Them turn idiot. Them now remember say you have a dangerous killer shark out there on the run. Them remember nothing about that, you know. So hear me people. Yes, divers want to stick together as one and protect each others. Yeah man. Young boy that man. One in here. What them? Two.
Hey, watch them animal. Watch them animal. Don't make them answer.
Yes, my people, I borrow them this. Two, my friend today, you know, this and this one. Two of them this morning. One you have the Conkman, one you have the Twinny, you know? A lovely catch this morning. Conkman bingo! Conkman finding dinner.
Yeah, but I'm afraid to
Yeah man, so plus I find some small fish, some nice small fish I'm gonna see what go on earlier. And we have vibe bar this morning.
We are here. You don't know again in a bar of days, you know.
Yeah man, so you know.
Remember, you know.
That one there, birthday gift, that one there, you know.
Blessed love, man, the blessing of the flow. Remember, you know, people, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell because we are here.
That's true, man. That's time. I'm way different here. That's true, nobody. That's time, man. True, everybody.
Yeah. Alright, glad you can't tap that.
When night
Barracuda for days. It's another day of catching barracuda, you know? Me and Twinny.
Wow,
yeah, man. Lovely catch today, my people. Yeah.
I want to go like out and see it.
Nice jack.
This is
a jacket, you know? Yeah, man. Nice jacket.
Can't read my scale, but I'm
6.7.
This one,
Scale are good. Scale are good.
Scale good,
yeah.
Are you not well stable? Oh, you're really fine. Let go. Seven and a half. So the first 7 and a half. I'm really worried about it. I said that why? Why is salt not blow out though? Salt. Remember that. Every time I see money, I give money, no man. I miss road manager though.
So when me down road, I see car they come and hear the sound one way, me take myself in and come here and say, yo, most time I wish.
Hey, you know that? The shot if it's dead, brother.
Yeah man, nice catch today. Three